Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve these two given equation first, and then we're going to find the value of m for our third given linear equation. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problems. Let's get started with our solution. In the very first step, I have just put down these first two linear equation over here, and I want to call the top one equation number 1 and the second equation as equation number 2. And we are going to solve these two equations by using elimination method. So as you can observe, equation number 1 and 2, if we multiply equation 2 by -1, then we can eliminate this x variable. So I can simply say multiply equation number 2 by -1. So that means if I multiply this equation 2 by -1, -1 over here, -1 over here, -1 across the board, I just simply got over here -2x, and this become positive 4y equals to 24. And now we're going to add this one to equation number 1. I'm going to say add this, whatever we got, add it to equation 1, which is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Let's add them up. We're going to add this one. If we add this thing, positive 2x and -2x, they are gone. So we simply ended up with 7y equal to 35. If I divide both sides by 7, so y turns out to be equal to 5. And in the next step, we are going to put y equals to 5 value in equation number 1. And here is 2x plus 3y equals to 11 is our equation number 1. So wherever you see y, I'm going to replace it by 5. So this is going to be a 2x plus 3 times 5 equals to 11. And now let's solve for x. So 2x plus 15 equals to 11. Let's move this 15 on the other side. So 2x equal to 11 minus 15. So 2x turns out to be equal to -4. Divide both sides by 2. That means x turns out to be -2. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to -2 and y equals to 5 for these two equations. And here it is. In our next step, I have just put down this third linear equation, y equal to mx plus 3. And here our x and y values, and we're going to find the value of m. We're going to solve for m. So that means wherever you see x, I'm going to replace it by -2, and wherever you see y, I'm going to replace 5. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So y value is 5 equal to m times x is -2 plus 3. Let's simplify. So 5 equal to -2m plus 3. Let's move this 3 on the other side. That's going to be 5 minus 3 equals to -2m. On the left hand side, that's going to give you 2 equal to -2m. Let's divide both sides by -2 to isolate m. So m turns out to be simply -1. So thus m equals to -1 turns out to be our final answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do it on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.